Today I'm going to take you through a really simple introduction to Sicilian wine. Wine production in Sicily benefits greatly from the volcanic soil, the hot Mediterranean summers and the mild winters. Now, Sicily produces a range of wines, which include your standard Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot and Syrah. I'm not going to go through that today, you know all about those. But it also produces more typically Sicilian wine. I'm going to talk you through a really simple beginner's guide to Sicilian wine. And remember, some of these are served up, blended together.
To learn more about La Bella Sicilia, consider subscribing.
Catarratto Bianco is a Sicilian white wine which is typically served with chicken and fish. Caricante is an ancient white wine from eastern Sicily, grown on the higher slopes around Mount Etna. It is often blended with Catarratto. Malvasia is a Sicilian wine found near Messina in northeast Sicily, and also grown in the Aeolian Islands. Malvasia can be both dry and sweet. It's very much like the Moscato sherry and can also be used as a dessert wine. Zibibbo is another Moscato type wine, very much like Malvasia, and it is speculated it was brought to the island by the Arabs. Moscato is also produced in the island of Pantelleria, as is the late harvesting Zibibbo in Erice, western Sicily. Grecanico. The name Grecanico derives from the Sicilian word for Greek. It is a white wine similar to Garganega, which is found in the region of Venice in northern Italy. Other Sicilian varieties of wine include Grillo and Inzolia, and these are used to make Marsala, but are more recently served up as they are. Grillo is a light white wine which evolved from a grape which legend says was a favourite of Julius Caesar. If you like Soave, Gavi and Pinot Grigio, this could be the one for you. Inzolia is a white wine typically produced in the west of Sicily and is sometimes used to make Marsala. Marsala is a fortified wine, often used in cooking and typically from the area of Marsala in western Sicily. The English wine merchant John Woodhouse was heavily involved in the development of Marsala wine. It is a fortified wine similar to Madeira and port, which can be sweet or dry, and is typically used to make the dessert tiramisu. Frappato originates from the area of Syracuse and Ragusa to the east of Sicily. It is a robust red wine and typically served with meat dishes. It appeared during the period of the Spanish occupation of Sicily. In the past, it was blended with Nero d'Avola. Talking of Nero d'Avola, this is the Black of Avola, and this is an old, very strong, dark red Sicilian wine from the area of Val di Noto in southern eastern Sicily around Ragusa. It was historically a blending grape, but is also now served alone and served up with strong flavoured dishes, including meat. I like it. Nerello Mascalese is a red wine grown on the east coast near Mount Etna. It is typically a late ripening grape grown at higher altitudes. It is sometimes blended with other wines, but also served with strong flavours, such as meat and pasta dishes. It is similar to Pinot Noir and may be linked to Sangiovese. So tell me, what's your favourite Sicilian wine and why?